Seeing a cloud of black smoke trailing behind your truck or feeling like your engine is struggling to wake up on a cold morning can be seriously frustrating, especially when that check engine light pops on to confirm your fears. If you have plugged in a scanner and pulled up the code P06CA, specifically pointing to cylinder 6 glow plug incorrect, don't panic, but do pay attention because this is your engine asking for a little warmth. This code is pretty common on diesel platforms, particularly if you are driving a Volkswagen, Audi, or even a domestic truck like a Ram or Chevy. Since diesel engines rely on high compression rather than a spark to get things moving, the temperature inside that cylinder needs to be hot enough to ignite the fuel. That is exactly what your glow plug does. It is a little heating element that glows red hot to prep the cylinder. When the powertrain control module, or PCM, realizes that the resistance in the glow plug for cylinder number 6 is off, it throws this code. It basically means the computer tried to heat up that cylinder and noticed the electrical flow was either too restricted or too open, suggesting the plug is burned out or the wiring is compromised. To tackle this, you are going to need a digital volt ohmmeter and a bit of patience. First, you absolutely must verify which cylinder is number 6 on your specific engine layout, because fixing the wrong one is a headache you do not need. Once you locate it, inspect the wiring connector on top of the plug. Is it loose, corroded, or melted? If the wiring looks good, you will want to disconnect the connector and measure the resistance of the glow plug itself against the engine ground. If your meter shows an open circuit or resistance that is way out of the manufacturer's specs, that glow plug is toast and needs replacing. Be super careful if you decide to test it by applying battery voltage directly. These things get incredibly hot instantly, and you do not want to burn yourself or start a fire. If the plug tests fine, you then need to move upstream and check the glow plug timer or controller to ensure it is actually sending power. It is a systematic process, but usually a fresh glow plug clears this right up and gets you back to clean, smooth starts.